Yo, Word Warriors! Welcome to 1 Minute It Shot. Struggling with blank pages in Word in 2025? This updated few-minute guide fixes it, thanks to your feedback. Smash that like button and subscribe. Let's roll. Open your Word doc with that pesky blank page. Press Ctrl plus G to bring up Find and Replace. In the page number field, type \page, hit Enter, then click Close. Now hit Delete and boom, that blank page is gone. Scroll down to check, nice and clean. Still seeing a blank page? No worries. Press Backspace once and it vanishes for good. This new step's a game changer based on your comments. That's it, you're a Word pro. Drop your best word trick in the comments. Peace out and keep creating.